Meantime, the ongoing political debate over the soaring cost of health care is about to give way to a harsh reality. Some 22 million Americans will begin to see their health insurance premiums skyrocket after Congress failed to extend certain subsidies under the Affordable Care Act. Here with a closer look now is NBC's senior business correspondent, Christine Romans. Christine, good morning. So who is most impacted by this?
Yeah, this is a political fight that now is a pocketbook reality for millions of families at midnight tonight. So we're talking about 22 million Americans. And these are small business owners. These are chiropractors. These are, anybody who's not getting their insurance through their job or are not yet on Medicare. This is the Obamacare subsidies that were enhanced during COVID and then extended by Congress a couple of times. Those go away tonight. And you're talking about some families who are going to see hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars, of higher premiums starting right away.
So what are the alternatives? Families have to make decisions pretty quickly here. Where do you go for health care at this point?
There was significant sticker shock during the open enrollment period. So a lot of families have been trying to figure out what to do. Some people, we don't know the numbers for sure yet, but some people are just going to walk away from insurance. And that is a problem for the system. It's a problem for the economy. There are others who will probably try to choose a much more bare bones, lower cost. They'll have smaller benefits, though, for their families. Others will just eat these higher costs and hope that states do something. Some states are trying to figure out if there's a way that they can step in and try to ease the pain a little bit. Congress, they're not in session, so this is going to happen tonight, no question. But this is something that some families will simply have thousands of dollars less in their spending budget this year, and they'll have to figure out some pretty hard math in the budget. So this is something that's been fought about for some time, as you both know, and now it becomes reality today.
Yeah, it's become this political football, but
it sure
now,
has.
Especially if it's small business owners who have to eat this, they're going to hear about it. Christine, thank you as always. Happy New Year.
You too.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.